Nivelles-Baulers was a 2.314 miles, 3.72 kilometers, racetrack in Nivelles, in French, Nijvel, in Dutch, near Brussels, Belgium. History. Built in 1971. The circuit hosted 2 rounds of the Formula One Belgian Grand Prix in 1972 and 1974 during the time when the race was supposed to alternate between Walloon and Flemish circuits. Designed by Roger Caney to be a safe alternative to Spa, Nivelles was perhaps too safe. It had massive runoff areas, was flat and featureless, and was described by many drivers as being bland and sterile. Nivelles was not popular amongst the paying spectators since they thought that they were not close enough to the action. The track ran into economic problems very early in its life. The organizer went bankrupt in 1974. They were, however, able to find enough sponsors to organize that year's Formula One race. In 1976, it was once again Nivelles' turn to organize the Belgian Grand Prix. But the track was not considered safe enough for Formula One because of the condition of the tarmac. By 1980, the circuit was deemed too dangerous for car racing. But motorcycle events continued until 1981, when the circuit license expired on June 30, 1981. The track was finally closed for good. Until the late 1990s, the pit buildings and the circuit were left abandoned, and it was possible to drive illegal laps around the track. However, in the early 21st century, the track was demolished and is now a part of an industrial estate. But it is still possible to see traces of the circuit. The fastest F1 lap at the circuit was set in 1974 by Denny Hume, who set a time of 1:11.31 in his McLaren Ford. The complete story of the Nivelles-Baulers circuit. A lap at the abandoned circuit of Nivelles in 1998. The site of the circuit. How it was and how it looks today. Satellite picture by Google Maps. The sad story of the Nivelles-Baulers circuit.